Hi guys, I was just teaching my niece about the characteristics of living organisms. It's quite simple. You have to check if an organism demonstrates these 7 properties or characteristics. If they do, then you can conclude that it is a living organism. Are there such rules in math too? Well, yes. In math, we have properties of integers. A property is a math rule that is always true. The closure property states that the collection of integers will be closed with respect to an operation if the result of the operation is an integer. This means that when we add, subtract or multiply two integers, the answer is always an integer. Let's check. For addition, the sum of two integers is always an integer. Similarly, the difference of two integers is always an integer. What do you think? Will the product of two integers always be an integer? Yes, it is. As you can see in the table, the set of integers is closed for addition, subtraction and multiplication. But what about division? When we divide two integers, we don't always get an integer as the quotient. Like in this case, when we divide -3 by -15, we get 1 over 5. Fractions are not a part of the integer group. Therefore, integers are not closed for division. So, we see that the closure property holds true for all but division of integers. Now, let's commute to the commutative property. Commute means moving from one place to another or swapping positions. The commutative property states that changing the order of numbers in an operation does not change the answer. Let's check if this property holds true for the different operations on integers. Let's see for addition. -2 plus 4 gives us 2, which is the same as 4 plus -2. So the commutative property holds true for addition. What about subtraction? As you can see, if we change the order of integers, we get different answers. So the commutative property does not hold true for subtraction. Commutative property holds true for multiplication, as the product of two integers remains the same even if we change the order of the integers. And what about division? Division is not commutative, as the quotient of two integers will change if we change the order in which they are divided. So we can swap the integers when adding or multiplying and still get the same answer. But that's not the case when we subtract or divide integers. Aren't these properties cool? See you next time.